Square of a number is a number multiplied to itself. So, square of a number is a times a, or square of 4 is 4 multiplied 4. So, a number times itself is the square of that number. We write it like this. So, square of 4 is 4 times 4. Square of 5 is 5 times 5. Square root is opposite of square. If you have to find the square root of 25, we find a number which when multiplied to itself will give you 25. We know 5 multiplied 5 gives you 25. So, the square root of 25 will be 5. So, a number multiplied to itself will give you 25. So, the square root of 25 will be 5. Similarly, the square root of 16 will be 4 times 4 under square root, means square root of 16 is 4. So, 4 when multiplied to itself gives you 16. So, square root is opposite of square. There are two methods of finding square root. One is prime factorization method. This method works for smaller numbers such as 225. So, first we find the prime factors of this number. What is a prime number? A prime number is a number which is divisible by only two numbers, the number itself and 1. For example, 3. It is divisible by 1 and the number itself 3. No other number divides 3. 2 is also a prime number. It is divisible by only 1 and 2. 5 is also a prime number. It is divisible by 1 and the number itself. So, these are the prime numbers. 8 is divisible by 1, 2, 4 and the number itself. So, apart from 1 and 8, it is also divisible by 2 and 4. So, 8 is not a prime number. So, prime factors of a number are the product of prime numbers or prime factors of that number. How to find the prime factors of a number? So, we divide the number. So, we write it like this. This is the easier method and start dividing it. So, 5 times 45 is 225. Now, 45 is not a prime number. So, we again divide it. 5 times 9 is 45. 9 is not a prime number. So, again divide it. 3 times 3 is 9. Now, 3 is a prime number. So, we stop here. So, we have to continue the process until you get the prime number at the end. Now, 225 can be written as the product of 5 multiplied 5 multiplied 3 multiplied 3. So, these are the prime factors of 225. Now, square root of 225 can be written as square root of 5 multiplied 5 multiplied 3 multiplied 3. In finding the square root, we pair the numbers. So, 5 multiplied 5 is a pair and 3 multiplied 3 is a pair, and then we take out one number from each pair and multiply them, and that gives you the square root of that number. To understand it better, let's group them like this. We can write this like 5 multiplied 3 multiplied 5 multiplied 3. Now, this gives you 15 multiplied 15. So, we got a number which when multiplied to itself is equal to 225. So, the square root of 225 will be 15. So, either you group them together in pairs of 2's and take out one number from each pair, or you group them such that they form a number which when multiplied to itself is equal to the number in the square root. Let's take another example, 144. Let's divide it. So, 2 times 72 is 144. We continue the process. 2 times 36 is 72. 2 times 18 is 36. 2 times 9 is 18. And 3 times 3 is 9. So, square root of 144 can be written as square root of the prime factors 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 3 multiplied 3. Now, you can group the numbers in pairs. So, these are 3 pairs we are getting. You have to always group them in 2's. So, these two and these two can be grouped together, and then take out one number from each group. So, we take out 2 from here, we take out 2 from here, and we take out 3 from here, then multiply them. So, we get 12. So, 12 is the square root of 144. Let's take another example, 196. Let's factorize it. 2 times 98 is 196. 2 times 49 is 98. 7 times 7 is 49. Now 7 is also a prime number, so we stop here. Now square root of 196 can be written as square root 2 times 2 times 7 times 7. Now pair them. There are two pairs, these two and these two. So we can take out one number from each pair. 2 multiplied 7. So the square root of 196 is 14. You always group the same numbers so that you can fetch out one of the numbers from the group. What if there are more pairs and you have to find a number such as 256? Let's factorize it. 128. 64 times 2 is 128. 32 times 2 is 64. 16 times 2 is 32. 8 times 2 is 16. 2 times 4 is 8 and 2 times 2 is 4. So square root of 256 can be written as 8 times 2. So let's write it. We have pairs of 2. We have to pair them and then take out one number from each pair. So we are taking out 2 from this, 2 from this, 2 from this and 2 from this. Multiply them. So square root of 256 is 16. You can check it. When 16 multiplied to itself 16, it is equal to 256. So this is how you calculate square root through prime factorization method. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section, and if you like this video, give a thumbs up and please subscribe. Thanks for watching.